man. Bye bye, bitch.
Happy Father's Day,
Baby, outside, man. I love all my kids. My kids make me feel so special.
We love
and
you.
I'll do anything for them.
We love you.
More to come, Abby.
Yes. Two more.
Two more. Oh, yeah.
Oh, love you. Happy Father's Day, man.
Bam! Turn around. Bad bitch bride. Woo, loaded.
So guys, that's how Chioma did some kind of party for Davido in celebrating him on the Father's Day. That girl is so sweet and nice. And also Davido hinted us that they'll be wedding by August. Is going to be loud as usual. During that Chivido time, it was more like everywhere was on fire. Chivido. So it's going to be loud again for this couple coming August. So guys, let's anticipate. Of course, I think I heard that it's going to be outside Nigeria, but trust me guys, a lot of people are going to come. Even if it is outside Nigeria, people are ready. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.